Looks like Todd's selling it here, doing some performance. He's a great pilot. Todd also flies Lear jets for a living, but this thing you don't need a Learjet pilot's license to fly this. It flies just like any other RC plane. Now that we put the motor on its back, it's got no more bad tendencies of yaw. So now it just flies. It doesn't even need a computer radio, just a normal elevator and ailerons. There's no mixing, there's just some exponential in the ailerons and the elevator. That's all the mixing that there is no mixing, just exponential. Yeah, it climbs like an elevator. Did 200 feet in about 3 seconds. Yeah, I lost it. There it is. Sorry about that. Nice. Just nice tight loops.
I'll do another loop.
All right.
Come down low first.
Low level loop about 60 feet off the ground. He's doing some tight turns. He's trying to hover there. Nice. Nice climb out up to about 400 feet. I lost it. There it is. There it goes. See, we've got a low voltage battery alarm on just the motor battery. The radio system's on a separate battery. So whenever we hear that, we know he's going to come in and land it now. Awesome. Thanks, Todd. So I'm going to leave the camera running here like we did before. You know, maybe we could just get you on camera and you can tell me a little bit about the tendencies, good, bad, or otherwise. Let me back this out.
It's great now. It's very maneuverable, as you can see. High alpha maneuvers, does real good. Loops, we haven't tried to roll it yet, but we can definitely try to do that. But overall, great flying airplane.
How about the stall tendencies?
Lots of fun. As you can tell, on high alpha slow flight, it doesn't have any bad tendencies. If you get it up high in a high alpha situation with a little bit of power, it does nothing but just fall back.
Just mushes.
Rotates. It doesn't have any rolling tendency.
No tip
either.
stall tendency.
Not at all. It's
No.
great.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Todd, and
bet.
appreciate
Absolutely.
appreciate you flying it for me. And we had a lot of issues with the dual motor. You know, we had the twin motor set up initially, but it just wasn't meant to be. So this right now I've got one motor on the back, and it looks nice, and it just works great.